Once upon a time in a small, sunny town, there lived a little boy named Max. Max was just like any other 2-year-old. He loved playing with his toys, giggling at silly sounds, and eating cookies. But Max had a secret, a superpower. One day, while playing with his favorite stuffed bunny, Max sneezed. Achoo! And something magical happened. His bunny started floating in the air. Max blinked his big, curious eyes and giggled. "Again," he said, and sneezed once more. This time, his toy car zoomed up into the air, spinning and twirling like a tiny helicopter. Max had discovered his superpower. His sneezes could make things fly. At first, Max didn't know what to do with his new power. He sneezed at his cereal bowl, and the spoon flew right into his hand. He sneezed at his socks, and they danced across the room like little sock puppets. But then, Max noticed something. His puppy, Buddy, was stuck in a tree. Buddy had chased a squirrel and couldn't get down. Max looked up at his furry friend and thought, "I can help." He took a deep breath, scrunched up his nose, and achoo! Out came a big sneeze, and Buddy floated gently down from the tree, wagging his tail happily. From that day on, Max used his sneeze superpower to help everyone. He sneezed to rescue balloons that floated away, to clean up his toys, and even to make his baby sister laugh by making her teddy bear dance. The townspeople called him Super Sneeze Max, and he became the happiest little hero in the whole town. And the best part? Max learned that even the smallest sneeze could make the biggest difference. The end.